Hi, my name's John Ford from Salterns Brokerage, and we've got a recent listing here of a Sealine SC35. It's a little bit special, this boat, because it's the anniversary edition. I'm going to point out a few changes that's been made to this particular model. It's a Sealine SC35, however it's 38 feet overall. Probably the biggest change for this one in terms of an optional extra is this vast bathing platform. So what I'll do is I'm going to show you around this boat. We're going to have a little walk through. It'll be about 7 or 8 minutes long in terms of the video, and I just want to show you some of the features of this particular one, how well it's been looked after. Not going to tell you the price until the end because you might be surprised, and we'll have a look on board and I'll show you. So let's have a look. Let's have a look at the externals. So there's a few obvious changes here to the standard Sealine S35. Really good selling model for Sealine, and you'll be able to see why. Masses of space, masses of volume for the size of boat. Now with this one, you can see the bathing platform here would normally end at the section here where it just cuts in. You see this section just down here, where then we've got this extended bathing platform. Masses of space, just what the model needed. You've also got a really good GRP on Sealine models. They polish back really well, and this particular one's finished in ivory. It's been really well cared for, and you can see, I hope you can see in that daylight, I just try from a few different angles so you can see that. It's got a lovely ivory finish on that hull, and it looks really nice. As we walk through around over the back and see that bathing platform, so you imagine you've thrown the anchor down somewhere, friends and family are swimming off the back, there's just acres of space there, and then room to put a tender as well, just so I can cover. So you can see down the starboard side as well, nice lines. And you step on board, swim shower just down here, we've got the hook in down here for the shore power, nice door. So if you've got small children, dogs, etc., there's a door there that just opens up into this space. So all I've done today is to come and have a look. We've actually got the sun out today, which is nice. The canopy just comes off in 3 sections, so this side here, and the back section actually just rolls up into this section just up there, which Sealine have been doing for years. I don't know whether the other manufacturers don't do that. And then it's all tucked away, and then I'll just step back here so you can just see all of the cockpit, because it is vast, huge. We've got a barbecue, we've got a fridge in here, we've got a nice big teak table, and all the upholstery in this particular boat, as you can see all the way through, is really well looked after. You've also got the teak that's been replaced on this particular model here as well. So it's a synthetic teak on the bathing platform and in the cockpit. So that'll last for years. Really nice finish, easy to keep clean. Let's put the candle over there. I'm just going to show you a few things here while we're looking. So we've got a barbecue griddle here, storage down here with the switches, fridge, freezer, sink, wet bar. There's a gas stove down below, and that's where the gas bottle is, nice and neatly tucked away underneath this little chair there, seat, which I think is a really nice little chair there. If you sat on the kids are swimming off the back, etc. You've got the seating back here, and all undercover under the sunroof here as well. Nice little feature for the I think this is the anniversary edition as well, with the Union Jack in there as well. A nice real wood teak table just folds out there. And then onto the sunroof, just to show you this as well. So it's all manual, so I'll try and do this with one hand. Should be I'm going to push that back, all one-handed, no electronics. And then once you open that up, you've got this vast roof, sunroof that opens up there. So also when you're on the helm here as well, you've got the roof that comes all the way back. Really easy, no electronics. That'll still open up exactly as I've just done in 10 years time as it does today. Helm position down here, we've got a nice storage locker down here, it's huge as well. Bolster seats that just flip up here, and then you've got seating here for 2 just up here with the bench seat as well. Nice leather steering wheel, that's adjustable, fully adjustable there. And then on this particular model, there's been a few upgrades on here One of them, most notably, is that it's got the hybrid touch. So, you know, everything you'd expect here in terms of the latest technology. Raymarine Axiom hybrid touch here. All the gauges here, the engine gauges down here. We've got speed and depth. Nice digital reading here. And then just underneath this cabinet here, we've got the extra switches here, electric switches, controls for the stereo, remote control, and actually 12-volt charger. They've actually got a couple of USB chargers there as well. It's handy for your phones, etc. There is a bow thruster, so there's a max power bow thruster on there. You could have a remote control fitted to that. So the remote controls are available on the market for that as well. And there we are. Compass just here, trim tabs, all the controls, and good visibility from that helm position. You got good visibility onto the transom and good visibility onto the foredecks as well. Let's drop down, go and have a look at the accommodation. Just slip my shoes off there. Come on down. And let's just take a seat here. So we've got the galley area over here. Light coming through the skylight down here, and then the seating over on this side here. Table folds out, and also that will lower down as well, that table as well. So it doubles in size, that table, when you want it to, or it's a little coffee table there when you need it to be. Leather seating's a nice feature. That's the anniversary edition. Optional extra as well as TV. So if you sit down on this side here in a nice saloon area, it's a bright light space. So, you know, we've got a sunny day today, but it's a nice space to be if you were to come down here and spend some time even over the winter months. And you've got sort of a contrast with the flooring here. So you've got wooden flooring, again, it's in good condition. There's a great storage area down here. It's vast actually. Great for drinks, keep things cool down here in the bilges. Galley, like the rest of this boat, really well looked after, really well presented. See the cooker here, and so there's a gas hob, twin gas hob here, stainless steel sink just down here as well. The owners keep a coffee maker on here. Nice to see a dehumidifier. It does smell really fresh inside as well in the boat. And not to forget, you've got our decent size fridge freezer here, just with a freezer compartment in there, ice boxes, etc., all in there. Then we come through to the accommodation, and then it's amazing what they've done. Sealine are synonymous for it, aren't they? Here we've got a double cabin forward, really well presented. Again, smells nice and fresh in here. We've got hanging space in here. And then on this side over here, on the starboard side, you've got access to your heads. So there's a single heads in here, but with a walk-in shower. So it's got the same sort of layout as the, see the Princess V40. And then you come back on through. The doors are split doors here. So what they've done here to save some space is they've opened that up there, just to explain with the split doors there. But that's really clever way of doing that. And then you've got the separate door here into that heads with a separate shower in there, just for your day use. Then a further cabin. So after you come back here, really clever in terms of it's got a bench seat sofa over here that could be used as a third single. So you'd have a single here on this side. We've got the windows over here, windows on the starboard side, and a really nice guest cabin over here. So two decent size, nice big single beds here, and then with an infill of some sort. You could have an infill in there, and that would give you a double. Storage space down here as well, so a bit of hanging space there as well. And then we'll come on through just to show you engine bay as well. So we're powered by the twin D4 260 horsepower, so she'll give speeds in excess of 30 knots. Again, it's really nice and clean and tidy in here. We've got a really comprehensive service history with the boat as well. It's been really well maintained. Always a good sign when you see all the gullies are nice and clean as well. Fastidiously looked after, this boat, really well presented. I don't think it's going to stay on the market for long. It also has heating throughout as one of the features as well, and we've even got a heating outlet here in the cockpit, so year-round boating is very much a possibility. I'm just going to hop over onto the foredeck and then just come round, because actually as I come round here I've got a good handhold on this side. It feels really safe coming up onto the foredeck. And then imagine with the toweling, sunbed sections just down here, just fit into the poppers with a little track just here as well. He only keeps that at home. It's a nice big vast foredeck on here. What a beautiful motor yacht for the size, and I say the money as well. So it is under £200,000 for this Sealine SC35 anniversary edition. See just in the background, see a 35 just being manoeuvred just over there as well. Popular boat, many of them around. Not many of the anniversary editions, and also not many of with this specification, and also with the with this care and the upgrades and the way it's presented as well is exceptional. If you're interested in this boat, please speak to our team. We'd be happy to help with. It's down here, down in Poole Harbour, down in Salterns Marina. It's ready to view. It's rare to find one with an anniversary edition, the Sealine SC35 like this, with this level of specification, with a big bathing platform, and how well it's presented is a rarity as well. Please inquire, because we don't think this boat's going to hang around the market for too long. Also, if you'd like to subscribe to our YouTube channel, we'll keep pushing the videos out there. We'll send you notifications and you'll be the first to see that when they come up as well. Thanks for watching the video, and we'll keep you posted with any more. Thank you.